Welcome to home school. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session I am going to discuss multiple choice questions from coordinate geometry. Let's begin with the first problem. The distance between the points P x1, y1 and q x2, y2 given by, what is the distance formula? If x1, y1, x2, y2 coordinates are there, you remember distance formula small d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In another way, I can say distance formula as square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Both the formulas you get same answer. If you do x2 minus x1, suppose if you get negative value, whole square will be positive. If positive value, whole square will be positive. There is no difference in both the formulas. So any of the two formulas you can expect. See the choices what we have. Option A, x1 plus x2 whole square, no. Option B, x1 plus x2 whole square there, no. Option C, x1 minus x2 there and y1 plus y2 there. We cannot guess this option. Let's go to the option D, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So therefore the option is option D, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Second one, the coordinates of origin. Origin coordinates. Origin means where the x-axis and y-axis intersect at a point. That point is called as the origin and its coordinates are 0, 0. Check the coordinates here. Option C, 0, 0. Third one, the distance between the coordinates of points P, Q from the origin. And one more formula we remember. What is that? Distance from origin. That distance D is equal to square root of. What are the coordinates you have? Xy means it will be x square plus y square. Distance from origin formula is D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. But here they have given the coordinates P, Q. So distance formula is equal to square root of P square plus Q square. Observe the answer in the options. You can see option C, square root of P square plus Q square. Option C, square root of P square plus Q square. Fourth one, the distance between origin and a point 0, 4 is. Origin, immediately you remember this formula, right? Square root of x square plus y square. And you have the coordinate here, 0, 4. Apply distance from the origin formula. 0 square plus 4 square. 0 square will be 0. 4 square will be 16. Square root of 16 is 4 units. Let's see the option here. Option B, 4. Option B, 4. Fifth one, the distance between the points 2, 3 and 6, 6 is x1, y1, x2, y2. We take the coordinates like this, x1, y1, x2, y2. What is distance formula? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 value is 6 minus x1 value is 2. 6 minus 2 whole square plus y2 6, y1 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 whole square, 4 4s are 16. 6 minus 3 will be 3. 3 3s are 9. 16 plus 9 will be 25. Square root of 25 will be 5 units. Therefore, the distance between these two coordinates, what is the distance? 5 units. You need to write your answer with units. Let us check the option here. Option A, 5 units. Option A, 5 units. Sixth one, the distance between the origin and the point 12 comma minus 5 is. Origin, what is the formula? D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. No need of writing x1, y1. Directly you can write x, y also you can write. Okay? Then that will be square root of x value is 12. 12 whole square plus y value is minus 5. Use with bracket here. Minus 5 whole square. 12 12s are 144. Plus y plus minus and minus will be plus 5 5s are 25. 144 plus 25 will be 169. Square root of 169 is equal to 13 units. Check for the answer here. Option D, 13 units. Seventh one, the distance of the point minus 4 comma minus 7 from the y-axis is. So, let me draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Intersect, this is the origin. The distance of the point minus 4 comma minus 7 from the y-axis. So, minus 4 comma minus 7, which quadrant you are going to get? Both are negative. It will be in third quadrant. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So, where will be this coordinate? Here. Minus 4 comma minus 7. And observe the question carefully. They asked us this coordinate distance from y-axis. That means only this distance you need to calculate. Suppose if the distance from origin, directly formula you know. But if they give you x-axis and y-axis, observe carefully. The coordinate is here. What is the distance from y-axis? This is y-axis, right? So, same distance will be here. Observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 units. The distance from this coordinate to y-axis is 4 units. Let us change the question here. Find the distance from this coordinate to x-axis. X-axis means, see here, this distance you need. Same distance here. Okay. So, how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units away from x-axis, this coordinate. And 4 units away from y-axis. Okay, is this clear? Therefore, the distance of the point minus 4 comma minus 7 from y-axis is 4 units. Observe the option here. Option A, 4 units. Eighth one, if the points k comma 2k, 3k comma 3k and 3 comma 1 are collinear. Find k. This is your question. So, are collinear means what do you remember? You remember area of a triangle is equal to 0. First write the formula. Area of a triangle A is equal to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Easy to remember this formula. X into y minus y, x into y minus y, x into y minus y. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Okay. So now mark this coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Now substitute this in the formula. Half of x1 value is k, y2 value is 3k, minus y3 value 1, plus x2 value is 3k, y3 value 1, minus y1 value will be 2k, plus x3 value is 3 into y1 value is 2k, minus 3k. This is equal to half of k into 3k, 3k square minus k into 1 will be k plus 3k into 1, 3k plus into minus 3 2s are 6k square plus 3 into 2k, 6k plus into minus 3 3s are 9k. Half of minus 6k square plus 3k square will be minus 3k square. Okay, and here 3k, 6k and 9k, 9k minus 9k cancels and you are going to get only minus k here. Observe here 3k plus 6k will be plus 9k you are going to get. Plus 9k minus 9k will be 0 and another k you have, that is minus k. Now minus 3k square minus k I will write. Why? Area is equal to 0. If they are collinear, then area is equal to 0. You can substitute. So half, this 2, send other side 0 into anything will be 0. 0 is equal to minus 3k square minus k. Now among this, is there anything common? K is common. Let me write 0 equal to minus k. Let us take out common. You are left with 3k plus 1. Minus you have taken common, right? And this minus k send other side, it will be 0. 0 is equal to 3k plus 1. Plus 1 bring this side. Minus 1 is equal to 3 multiple. Minus 1 by 3. What is the k value? Minus 1 by 3. Let us check the option here. Where is your option? Option A, minus 1 by 3. This is your right answer. Ninth one, if x is a positive integer such that the distance between points P, x, 2 and Q3, minus 6 is 10 units. What is this? Is 10 units, children? Distance is equal to 10 units. Find the value of x. The distance between P and Q coordinates. P coordinate and Q coordinate distance given 10 units. You need to find x value. Okay. Write the distance formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Mark this x1, y1, x2, y2. Always when you are substituting in formula, try to mark x1, y1, x2, y2 compulsory. Okay. Now substitute. D value already given, it is 10. 10 is equal to square root of x2 value is 3. x1 value is x3 minus x whole square plus y2 value is minus 6 minus y1 value is 2. Minus 6 minus 2 whole square. 10 is equal to square root of 3 minus x whole square plus minus 6 minus 2 will be minus 8. Minus 8 whole square will be 8 8s are 64. Now remove the square root. When you remove, apply other side whole square. Okay. Is equal to 3 minus x whole square plus 64. 10 tens are 100. Bring the 64 this side. Minus 64 is equal to 3 minus x whole square. I just write as it is. 100 minus 64 will be 36 is equal to 3 minus x whole square. Now remove the square. Apply other side square root. Square root of 36 is equal to 3 minus x. Square root of 36 value is 6. Plus or minus 6 you may get is equal to 3 minus x. Now x is equal to, bring this side, 3 plus or minus 6. X is equal to 3 plus 6 or x is equal to 3 minus 6. X is equal to 3 plus 6 will be 9. 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 3. And in your problem, they have said x is a positive integer. Positive means what is the positive value you have? 9. So check for that option here. Option C, 9. 10th question. If A 2, 2, B minus 4, 4, C 5, minus 8 are the vertices of a triangle, then the length of the median through vertex C. Okay, let me draw a triangle here first. C, vertex C said no, so let me take here C. B, A. Write the coordinates 2, 2, minus 4, 4, 5, minus 8 are the vertices of a triangle, then the length of the median through vertex C. Median. So what is this length? Let me take here D. Length of the median. D is a midpoint of AB. First find D coordinates, then you can find the length of DC. That is only the median. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is 2 plus of minus 4 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2. That will be 2 minus 4 will be minus 2 by 2, 6 by 2. Few cancel, you are going to left with minus 1, 3. So midpoint coordinate D value is minus 1, 3. Find the length of CD. Distance, CD distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Anyone you can take x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1 and this one x2, y2. Substitute in this. Square root of x2 value is minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 value is 3 minus of minus 8 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 will be minus 6. Minus 6 whole square it will be plus 36. 3 minus into minus plus 8 plus 3 11. 11 11s are 121. And now add this 36 plus 121. It will be 157. Square root of 57. And 157 is not a perfect square. So let us check for the option here. Do you have the option? Yes. Option C. Option C, square root of 157 units. What is the length of the median? Square root of 157 units. 11th question. If points A, 0, 0, B and 1, 1 are collinear, then find 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to. They have given 3 coordinates and said they are collinear. If these 3 coordinates are collinear, we can use the formula area of a triangle is equal to 0. That is half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Mark the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute now and this area is equal to 0. Substitute the value x1 a into b minus 1 plus 0 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus b is equal to 0. Okay. Half of AB minus A plus 0. 0 into anything will be 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. No need of writing. Plus into minus, minus 1 into B will be minus B is equal to 0. Send this to other side. 2 into 0 will be 0. And right here AB minus A minus B. Minus A minus B equal to 0. Send this minus A minus B other side. AB is equal to A plus B. AB is equal to A plus B. That's it. Now what we need to find? We need to find 1 by A plus 1 by B. Do LCM. AB by B plus A. We can rewrite it as A plus B by AB. But what is AB? AB is equal to A plus B. Substitute. Cancel, it will be 1. Check your option. Do you have 1? Yes. Your option B, 1 is the answer. Let's see the 12th one. The area of the triangle formed by, again 3 coordinates we have. A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, and C comma A plus B. The area of the triangle so formed is. So we need to substitute in area of triangle formula. And this coordinates we are going to mark it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute in this. Half of x1 value is A, y2 value is C plus A, minus y3 value is A plus B. When we are doing any subtraction, you better go with a bracket. Plus x2 value is B into y3 value A plus B minus y1 value is B plus C with a bracket plus x3 value is C and y1 value is B plus C minus y2 value is C plus A is equal to half of A into, remove this from bracket, C plus A minus B, okay, plus minus A plus A will be cancelled, and next one B into A plus B, remove from bracket, minus into plus will be minus B minus C, and here minus B plus B will be cancelled, plus C into B plus C minus A. Now, again plus C minus C will be cancelled. Half of, now multiply this, A into C is C, minus into plus minus, AB plus AB or BA is same, minus BC plus CB minus CA. Now observe here carefully. Plus AB minus AB will be cancelled. Plus BC minus BC will be cancelled. Minus CA plus CA will be cancelled. And if all these are cancelled, you are left with 0. 0 by 2 will be 0. Therefore, what is the area of the triangle, children? Area of the triangle is 0. Therefore, your option is option A, 0. 13th one, a circle drawn with origin as the center passes through 13 by 2, 0. The point which does not lie in the interior of a circle. So, let me draw a Cartesian plane here. X-axis, Y-axis. This is the origin 0, 0. A circle drawn with origin passes through 13 by 2, 0. 13 by 2, 0 means, observe here, 2 6 are 12, 0.25 are 10. 6.5, 0. 6.5 means, here somewhere it might be 6.5, 0. So, with this as a center, draw a circle. Okay. Here, minus 6.5, you will be having 0, minus 6.5. And here it touches at minus 6.5, 0. And here it will be 0, 6.5. Okay. In this way, a circle is drawn with the center at the origin and touching at the point 13 by 2, 0. And what is your question here? The point which does not lie in the interior of the circle. Okay, let us see from the options here. Minus 3 by 4 comma 1. Minus 3 by 4 comma 1. If I cancel this, 4 sevens are 28.5. Minus 7.5 comma 1. Where this coordinate will be? Minus 7.5. Here, somewhere it might be 7.5 comma 1. And what is your question? The point which does not lie in the interior of the circle. See, this coordinate, is it lying in the interior of the circle? No, outside. I think this is only the answer. But let us go with the next options also. 2 comma 7 by 3. 2 comma 2 means somewhere here. 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means what? 3 2s are 6. 2.3 somewhere here. So it is inside the circle. Coming to your C coordinate, 5 comma 1 by 2. 5 comma 0.5. 5 comma 0.5 somewhere here. So this point also lying inside the circle. Coming to your last coordinate, minus 6 comma 3. Minus 6 comma 3 means somewhere here. Okay, this point is also lying inside the circle. So what is your question here? The point which does not lie in the interior of the circle. So this is the point. That is your option A. Minus 3 by 4 comma 1 is your answer. 14th one. A line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at the points P and Q respectively. If 2 comma minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, let me draw again. X-axis, y-axis. Y dash, x dash. If 2 comma minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ. 2 comma minus 5 lies in 4th quadrant. Suppose if I draw a line here and this is the midpoint, 2 comma minus 5. A line intersects the y-axis at P and x-axis at Q. Let me take A as a midpoint. Find the coordinates of P and Q is your question. What is the coordinate of P here? P is lying on y-axis. That means y will be having some value and x value is 0, 0 comma y. Similarly, Q coordinate. X is having some value and y value will be 0. Okay. Now apply the midpoint formula for these two. 0 plus x by 2 comma. Do you know midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Directly you can write y plus 0 by 2. But you know what is the midpoint coordinate? 2 comma minus 5. X plus 0 I can write it as x by 2. Y plus 0 y by 2 is equal to 2 comma minus 5. See, like this we need to equate. X by 2 is equal to 2. X is equal to 4. Similarly, y by 2 is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 10. Now, substitute in this value 0 comma minus 10 and 4 comma 0. What are the P and Q coordinates? 0 minus 10, 4, 0. Check the answer in your options. Yes, it is your option D. 0 comma minus 10 and 4 comma 0. Like this, if any coordinates, if they ask you, first identify the midpoint coordinate, where it lies, and then apply the formula. Okay. 15th one, if the distance between the points 4 comma P and 1 comma 0, distance is 5. Then the value of P. What is distance formula? Let me mark this x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know D value, it is 5, is equal to square root of x2 value is 1 minus x1 value is 4 whole square plus y2 value is 0 minus y1 value is p whole square. 5 is equal to square root of 1 minus 4 will be minus 3. Minus 3 whole square will be 9. 9 plus p square. Minus p whole square is plus p square. Remove the square root. Apply other side. Whole square. 5 whole square is equal to 9 plus p square. 5 5s are 25 is equal to 9 plus p square. P square is equal to 25 minus 9. That will be 16. P is equal to square root of 16. P is equal to plus or minus 4. Check the option here. Where you have plus or minus 4, you have option B plus or minus 4. What is your P value? Plus or minus 4. 16th one. If the points A, 1, 2, 0, 0 and C, A, B are collinear. Therefore, collinear means area of triangle AOC is equal to, write the formula again, half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Now mark this x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. They are collinear. Area is equal to 0. You can equate with 0. 0 equal to half of, substitute this one, x1 value is 1, y2 0, y3 b, x2 0, y3 b minus y1 value is 2 plus x3 value is a, y1 value is 2 minus y2 value is 0. 0 equal to, this 2 send other side, 0 into 2 will be 0. 1 you can remove. 1 into 0 will be 0. No need of writing that. 1 into minus b will be minus b. 0 into anything? 0. Plus a into 2 will be 2a. A into 0, 0. No need of writing that. And now remove from brackets. Minus b plus 2a. This minus b send other side. B is equal to 2a. Check in your options. Do you have b is equal to 2a? Yes, you have 2a is equal to b. B is equal to a or 2a is equal to b. Both are same. Therefore, your option is option C. 2a is equal to b. 17th one. The distance of the point P2, 3 from the x-axis. Observe here again. 2, 3. 2, 3. This x scale 2 and y scale it is 3. Right? This coordinate, we need to find the distance of the point P2, 3 from x-axis. From x-axis you need to find the distance. From here you see how many units? 3 units. Option B, 3 units not given, only 3 given. Let us go with that only. 18th one. The distance between the points A 0, 6 and B 0, minus 2. 0, 6 and 0, minus 2 distance. Again apply distance formula. As usual, x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus 6 whole square. 0 minus 0 whole square, you can skip that. Minus 2 minus 6 will be minus 8. Minus 8 whole square will be 64. Square root of 64 plus or minus, you need to take plus or minus. 8 8s are 64. 8 square root will be cancelled. D is equal to plus or minus 8. Check the option here where you have only 8. They have given only plus 8. So you can go with the option B, 8. 19th one. The distance of the point P minus 6, 8 from the origin. Origin formula D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. X, y. Square root of minus 6 whole square plus y value 8, 8 square. 6 minus 6 into minus 6 will be plus 36. 8 8 are 64. 64 plus 36 will be 100. Okay. Square root of 100 is plus or minus 10 units. What is the distance from origin? 10 units. Where is your answer? Option C. 10. 20th one, the distance between the points 0, 5 and minus 5, 0 is. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of x2 value is minus 5, x1 value is 0 plus y2 value is 0 minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 minus 0 will be minus 5. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Same manner, 25. 25 plus 25 will be 50. Is 50 a perfect square? No. But we can split this 50 as 25 twos. 25 is a perfect square. Square root of 25 into 2. Split the roots. Root 25 into root 2. Root 25 value is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 units. Where is your answer? Option B. 5 root 2 units.